up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the build plans for this 2004 Celica GTS 2ZZ 6-speed manual Tsunami Edition car. So I'm going to tell you guys all the plans. I'm going to show you all the junk that we find out of the car. I'm going to remove all the junk out of the car today. So what we're going to do is I'm going to remove all the junk from the car, and I'm going to tell you guys what the build plans are going to be and kind of what your expectations are and a time frame. I wanted to give you guys a time frame. It's very important to have a time frame of when to expect the build to be complete and how it's going to work. So let's go ahead and jump right into the car. And first things first, I'm going to remove the license plates. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, I love this car so much. It's black and red. All my tools are black and red. So Phillips head, lefty loosey. I don't usually typically have a front license plate. I think they're hideous and ruin cars, and I don't think we need to have them. This looks really dirty behind here. So we're using lefty loosey, and this license plate looks just wrecked. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off, and we're gonna disregard this. Man, that is filthy behind there, but it's gonna make the car look so much better. I'll clean all this up. It does need to go to the car wash. The other thing is that looks to me that there's 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I will get those fixed. We'll be pulling this bumper off because we're going to be putting an intercooler right there. Okay, so the screws and the license plates, they're all going in the trash. First stuff we're going to be removing off the car. And so that's the first thing. I got that done. I feel good that I got that out of the way. I've been meaning to do that. Let's go ahead back over to the rear. And on the Celica, I'm going to set you guys down right here. On the Celica, the license plate is actually on the hatch. Let's go ahead and pull these down, and they actually expire. And we're going to do lefty loosey again. Get rid of these, and I got new plates already. All right, rear plate just went in the trash bag, so we don't need that anymore. To be honest, I would totally rock the car with no license plates. Looks way better. So as we do this, let's go ahead and grab the new license plates, and I'm going to show you also what I got in the mail today. Okay, so here's the new plate. We're good, we're legal, we got the plate. And then here's what came in the mail today. I got 2 of them. So I'm probably gonna put this up for sale or up on MITCHDORE.COMHOW, or I'm gonna give this away actually. I have 2 of them, so I'll give one away. I think that this looks so much better. So what I'm gonna do for the giveaway, let me go ahead and grab you guys. So if you want one of these black license plate frames, when I put it on, you're gonna see why, because it looks so much better to have one. I'll give you one for the back of your plate, since I have 2 and I only run a back plate. I never run a front plate. I'm gonna give one away. All you have to do is swing by MITCHDORE.com, order anything. The next 10 people to order something on there, I will just include it in your order, and you'll just be surprised because it showed up in your order. In addition to that, I'll email you and let you know that it was in your order as well. So if you want that free front plate, go to MITCHDORE.com, buy anything on there. I don't care if you spend $5 or if you spend $150, whatever it is. The next 10 people, I'll choose one of I'll do a random thing and choose for it, and then you can have that license plate, because I have 2 and I don't need it, and I love giving back to you guys. So let's go ahead and put the new plate, the new frame with the new plate on. Okay, black frame already looks so much better. It's making the car look black. You have chrome screws, so use these little caps right here, and we'll put these caps on over, and it covers that just like that, and then just like that, and then you have all black. So if you're gonna have to, oh, sorry guys. If you're gonna have to rock a plate, might as well make it as dark and as black as possible, so that looks way, way, way better, in my opinion. Again, if you want one of these plates, that looks so much better. Again, I'm gonna be doing some, and I'll talk about all the mods I'm gonna be doing here in a split second, but first things first, that looks really good, especially now that we don't have the plate on the front anymore. I know the car's absolutely, this car is pretty filthy, but already the nose looks way more aggressive. Okay, next thing is I did find a funny CD, so this is gonna go in the trash. We don't need that anymore. Let's go through the glove box, see what we can find in here. So that's my stuff, that's title, we're gonna keep that. This is Toyota dealership things, 04 red. Tire stuff, some garbage. What is this? Important maintenance for your Toyota, kinda cool. Garbage, limited warranty garbage. What else is in here? Self garage garbage. Garbage. Owner's manual, part of that. Scheduled maintenance, we'll keep that. Owner's manual, we'll keep that. Toyota alarm, we'll keep that. Warranty, what is this? This is just some receipts. Don't need that. Don't need that. Garbage. Tires, garbage. Tires, garbage. Original owner's manual. All right, so we'll keep all that. We'll put that all together, and then we'll get rid of the rest. And we have a nice cleaner glove box, so we're good with that. All right, let's pop this. Sunglasses, don't need those. Garbage. All right, let's see what's in the little center console, and let's see if there's anything underneath the chair. Oh, there is. There's something down here. A receipt. And I think that might be it. All right, let's look in here. Tail light bulb, don't need that. Seat plastic, we'll keep that. Seat plastic, I think, looks broken, but we'll keep it. And then a key lug. All right, that's good. So that's the interior. Okay, let's open this. So that'll be a mod. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. Okay, a subwoofer. So I don't know how much this is worth. I might sell this or I might give this away. What is this? Pioneer subwoofer. I'm not sure. So maybe I'll sell this or maybe I'll give this away. An amp that's been screwed into the carpet. Let's unscrew this real quick. This is one of those Celicas that came with two mats. So there's a floor mat and then another floor mat underneath it. The original one. My other one came with this. I don't know if it was just like an option or something like that. I'll probably leave it. I don't know, maybe not. So we're gonna get rid of this stuff. I feel good about that. All right, I think I got all the junk out of the car. Let's go ahead and look underneath the driver's seat. That's weird, there's some red pill. Oh my gosh. I found all kinds of stuff in cars. What is this, a diamond? I found a diamond. There's some junk in there. All right, I think that's it. So we're gonna throw that crap. I need to vacuum this car. Okay, now that I got majority of the stuff out of the car, a lot of times when you buy cars, you find all kinds of weird stuff in them. So what we're gonna do, so let's talk about the expectations of this. So I did order a turbo kit already from turbokits.com. It's been ordered. It's on back order to get all the parts for mine for about one month to maybe even 2 months. So the turbo kit has been paid for and orders in, but it won't be here for like 2 months. So I'm thinking like maybe like September or something like that. So this is probably gonna be a winter build, so it'll be in the garage the majority of the winter. So that's kind of my expectation. So while we have to wait for the turbo kit to get here, I wanna do a ton of modifications. Probably like 30 videos before we get to the turbo. So I decided that since the turbo kit, until we can get it ordered here, I still want to give you guys good content on this car because I know you guys like it so much. So let's talk about what we're gonna do. So the first thing is that we've already ordered a turbokits.com intercooled turbo. The kit should increase the horsepower by 100 horsepower. So we should be around like, I'd hope for like 260. That's what I want, 260 wheel horsepower or 240 wheel horsepower, maybe even 260. Should put down some good numbers. It's gonna be coming with an AEM FIC. It'll be coming with 550 injectors, so a little bit bigger injectors. It'll be coming all in wrinkle black, and then it'll be coming with a T28 billet turbo, so pretty good sized turbo. So as for mods for the rest of the car, we are gonna do different wheels. And I actually found wheels that I really like already. So these will be probably for sale. I don't know if anyone of you guys want these. I think they're 17. Oh my gosh, they're actually 18. So these are 18 inches and they're 215/35s on the tires. So they're probably 7.5 inches wide. And then they're 18 inches. So these are already 18 inches. The other thing that we're gonna be doing, of course, is lowering the car. I just don't know if I'm gonna do coilovers or lowering springs and some kind of strut or whatnot. The car has 160,000 miles on it, so I should probably do coilovers instead of just lowering springs with the original struts or whatever are on there. The next thing is I really don't like these headlights. I actually own these pair of headlights, but like I don't like them as much as the other ones, so I'll be changing these headlights out. If anyone wants these, they're gonna be for sale at a very discounted rate on MITCHDORE.com. I'll actually put them up for sale now, so that'll just, you know, make me want to go get different ones earlier. So if anyone wants these, they'll be at a good rate. Of course, I'm not gonna be, this will Typhoon, so this is a K&N Typhoon air intake system. It will be for sale if anyone wants that. It's pretty cool, it's in red. Matches the car, but we're going to be turboing it, so I don't like that. The other thing that we're going to be doing is we'll be debadging the entire car. So the Toyota nose will come off. That'll probably be pretty soon here. The Toyota badge will be coming off. The Toyota badge back here will be coming off. I might leave the GTS badge, or I might sell the GTS badge. I love the GTS badge, so I don't know. Comment down below if you guys think I should keep that or leave that. We'll be painting this black because we're gonna do a lot of black accents, kind of like I did on my other car. I will be putting these up for sale if anyone wants these. I actually really like the tint on them, but I just don't like the style of the taillights. Let's actually turn the blinker on, or maybe we can just turn the light on and see what they look like. Yeah, they're actually pretty cool, and I really like the tint, especially with the new license plate frame. But they're gonna be for sale, and I'm gonna be probably doing 03 plus taillights, something similar like that. I might smoke them. We'll be doing a different antenna. We'll leave the wing. I like the wing a lot. We'll do a TRD fuel door. I'll find one of those. That'll be awesome. I don't like the brakes, to be honest, even though they just put brand new brakes on it, cross-drilled and slotted, but they're chrome, so I might just paint them. But their actual wheel, like the actual caliper is chrome, so I might get rid of those. I actually really don't like that at all on either one of them. They painted the front brake caliper red. I like that, but I actually might paint them both gloss black. We'll see what I do with that. I'll be doing a MITCHDORE.com. I'll be doing a lot of my website stuff. We'll be doing the side markers from there. We'll be smoking out the fog because the fogs are hideous. We'll add a lip to the kit. I want to do all this stuff after I boost the car, but I don't know how long it's going to take to get the turbo kit from turbokits.com. Grant has already got my order in. He's been working with me, so thank you, Grant. And they are awesome. I always link them below. This will be my third or fourth kit from from turbokits.com. They provide a full kit for our cars. It's probably the best. We'll be doing different lug nuts. The major thing that is going to cost money, again, I paid a lot for this car. The major thing that we're going to be doing that's going to cost money is that this car is going to need painted. Now, I don't know if the whole thing needs repainted, the whole thing, or if it just needs re-cleared. This is extremely common on the Toyota red. So if you have the Toyota red, they're all faded red cars. Most red cars just need to do this. This is carbon fiber. It could be polished. I might be able to polish it and then it'll be for sale. I don't want the C1 style raised carbon fiber scoop. I want a tsunami scoop. So I will look for a tsunami hood scoop, or AKA a Sports M. And I'll put a Sports M on the car. Hopefully I can get an OEM one. The other thing is, so we'll re-clear, and I'll probably end up re-clearing the entire car and then seeing what he can do for it. We are going to be painting this black. I want a black roof. I think that's the best look on these cars ever. We'll leave the pillar red, but we'll do the roof black. I think it looks absolutely super aggressive. We'll pull some tint down, or maybe I'll buy a banner, but we'll pull some tint down here to make the front of the car look even a little bit lower. Again, we're gonna do a front lip. I'll probably do some side skirt extensions, and then we'll run a 3-inch custom exhaust through the entire lower part of the car. So that exhaust will be gone, and we'll have it come out here. It'll be custom 3-inch, and it'll come all the way out here. I have no idea what kind of exhaust this is, and it is ugly. So we'll be getting rid of that. As for the interior, absolutely the reason I bought this car. Really, really good condition. Love the black. We'll be doing some OEM floor mats. We'll be doing a TRD badge from MITCHDORE.com. We'll be doing a short shifter from MITCHDORE.com. We'll be doing a weighted teardrop shift knob probably, or I might just do a weighted black one because I don't really want any chrome on this car at all. So I just want black and red, only black and red on this car. So we'll be getting ready of the the shifter, the OEM shifter. I'll probably just throw it away, and then that shift knob will be for sale if anyone wants that. It is a 6-speed shift knob. We'll be doing a new radio install. I can't stand that radio. It sounds really good, but it looks horrible. So we'll be getting rid of this. I'll do a how-to on this one. This already has wires in it, so I'll show you guys how to install maybe like a touchscreen Sony, maybe I'll do Sony or something like that. But I want a touchscreen thing right here, and then I want it to be black and no chrome buttons or anything, just black. And I don't even want buttons on it. I just want it to look smooth, so fit in there, look very modern, and look at like 2021 instead of a 2004. Yeah, floor mats will be gone. We'll be doing a boost pillar probably, so I'll probably put a pillar, and I'll probably get carbon fiber for that, and I might get a carbon fiber one over there to match those carbon fiber pillars, or I might put a gauge inside the air vents on each side, one with a boost and then one with the air to fuel, and I'll put those on there. I'll decide which ones I want to do with that. It's not very hard to run wires through this car, by the way, guys. It's very easy. Steering wheel is in pretty good condition overall. Not perfect, but pretty darn good condition overall. What else will we be doing with this car? We'll be doing some dome lights, because that one's, look at that, guys. Swing by MITCHDORE.com. It's like the cheapest mod ever. I give you how-to instructions and get a dome light. That is so ugly. And the new one's way brighter from my website, and it looks more modern. So swing by there. It's like $5, something like that, $6. I don't remember what it is. Go get one from my website. I'll mail it out to you right today. I'll even write you guys a handwritten thank you. And then I might do a overlay of carbon fiber on this, the center part. I might do an overlay of carbon fiber, which looks pretty good. I think I'll probably do that. But I do love that this interior is black and black leather. These are pretty cool, but I'm gonna go to OEM. This is not for me. This isn't for me. I said that in my first video. So these are all the mods I think I'm gonna be doing to this car. It's gonna be it's gonna be like a year to finish this car. It'll be a long time. But yeah, so yeah, that's my plans with it. Lots of plans. I'm excited. This will probably be a huge video series, and you guys will have so much content after this. Once car's completed, goal is to do dynos with it, and then goal is to take it to a 1/4 mile and run, I don't know, like a 13-second. No, it should be faster than that. Probably like a 12.5. My Evo ran a 12.2, so like a 12.5 in this car would be fast. The reason why the Evo is fast all-wheel drive, and I was banging gears in that. And I forgot to say, the transmission in this car is absolutely phenomenal. I don't know, maybe they replaced the clutch when they first got it, but it's really good. I was thinking about doing a new clutch when I put the turbo kit on it, because it probably wouldn't hold. No, this clutch is really good. I've been really enjoying it. And the transmission is just, oh my gosh, really good on this car. I've had a lot of C60s. The 2004 with the cryo-coated synchros, oof, so good, so good. This is a good car. But yeah, just an endless amount of mods. Just remember how ugly this car is right now, because when it's done, it's gonna look insane. It will look like a mini Ferrari. When the car is slammed on the ground, it will look so good with an intercooler up front. And I think I'm gonna get a black, I'm gonna have them paint the intercooler black too. So I forgot to tell them that. I'll actually tell that. And it'll just look good when we get rid of all the chrome. But it will make the car it will make the car look awesome. So those are the plans. That's the build expectations. Turbo kit will be here in 1 to 2 months. Between there, we'll have about 15 to 20 videos of this car doing smaller modifications. I like the tint on the car. I don't think I'm gonna go any darker with the tint. Build process, the installation will probably be like 4 or 5 videos. Tuning will be a video, and then the dyno runs will be a video. And then after I finish that, I'll probably do all the wheels and the lowering and the brakes and all that stuff. So this has got a lot of content and a lot of work for it, and I can't wait for it to be done. It should be a screaming fast car when it's done, and we should be banging gears, and I can't wait. So make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab some good merch on there. You guys will love it. Other than that, if you want the free giveaway, all you gotta do is swing by MITCHDORE.com. First 10 people to buy something, I'll put the free giveaway, I'll give you the license plate, and it'll look good just like this one. Like, subscribe, I'll see you guys on the next video.